Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today we're doing a AAA mukbang. I realized I never did that on my channel before, so I was waiting for like an hour in that place, probably an hour and a couple minutes, but my head is killing me. I'm hungry, so I got some chips. I never tried the chips before, so like I said, I tried AAA 2017. That was my first time having it, and I wasn't feeling it, to be honest. And this is the this is my order. I don't feel like saying it all, so just I should wash the spoons off. Hold on, let me go wash this stuff off. I'll be back. Alright, so this, y'all see what I got, right? Bro, they put my whole government on here. Why they put my whole government on this damn thing? I put NK, they gonna put my whole government. Listen. Alright. Oh, let's take a there you go. The guac. What rice did I take? White rice? Hold on. It's Friday. I also take a shot. It's the Amsterdam coconut. So let's take a shot together. Don't want a whole thing. Remember? That's gonna be my shot. Cheers. Happy Friday. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Take a chips. Oh, that's all it. Oh, okay. Well, I thought the chips come in another bag. I didn't know it was stored in the bag like that. I didn't know that. Excuse me. Alright, so yeah, I never had the chips. I want to try it. I want to try it with the guacamole and the rice and whatever. Hopefully it tastes good. Let me take a few. Put it to the side. Alright, so we're going to... What are we talking about today? Oh, I got something to tell y'all. But first, let's try this. Little guac. Oh. Little guac. Okay. I picked this up. I don't know what is it. I just want to pick it up because I wanted to. Alright. Yeah, I know I got white rice because I've been drinking green juice all day. That's why. I hear people in the background, my roommates. Yeah, I wanted the watermelon drink and they didn't even have it. Like, why don't you have it? I said I was gonna get it, right? I did say it. I said I was gonna get Chipotle, but I wanted to do a mukbang. I never did it before, so I'm gonna talk about exes. And why they can't leave us alone. Because it don't even taste sweet. That's good. So this was I think the medium was 310 and this was like 340 something. A couple more cents, whatever. My ex is still bothering me. Mind you, we broke up 2 years ago. It's about to be 3 years in March. And this man is still texting me. Mind you, I did block him. blocked his number, blocked him on. Oh, well, I didn't block him on Instagram. I blocked him on Snapchat because I told y'all in a recent vlog that he hit me up, so I blocked him. I just feel like, why you hitting me up? We broke up 2 years ago. You should move on. Because I have, honey. I have moved on. Ain't no coming back. Okay. We wasn't in a relationship for a long time. Like, we was in a relationship for like 6 months. And he's still bothering me. Like, I don't want to be bothered. Like, I don't. He keep hitting me up talking about, he texted me today. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna show you. I don't even care. He keeps texting me talking about, well, y'all gonna see what it says. Like, that was never the problem. The problem was your best friend. That was the problem. Oh, she was disrespectful, pretty much, to our relationship. And me being a woman, right, checked her because I felt disrespected. Even though she don't owe me no loyalty, but at the same time, you're not gonna disrespect me. You're not gonna do that. Told him about it. He didn't want to fix it. So even though I shouldn't have to do that, I still did it because, like I said, you're not gonna disrespect me. So me and her was going back and forth or whatever. Then he posted something again, and then she would go and comment on, like, she made a flirtatious comment under the post, knowing that she was gonna irritate me. So she basically did it to piss me off, which she did, because again, you're disrespecting me. As his best friend, you shouldn't be doing that. Especially when somebody have a girlfriend, you shouldn't be doing that. You just doing the most. She was just doing the most, and I wasn't accepting that shit. Like, I don't care. I did what I had to do. I didn't regret nothing, because, like, why would you do that? At this point, you didn't want him to be happy. You didn't want him to have a life, because you just wanted to, I guess, hold him back from whatever. I don't know. I asked him if they messed around before. He told me a long time ago. But when we started dating, she was trying to add me on Instagram, and I wasn't trying to add her. Like, what you added me for? The way how she found out that we was dating was like, because she found out on Instagram. I don't know. I should have picked up that, because their relationship is weird. Like, that's her best friend. Why she finding out that you will have a girlfriend on Instagram? Why you ain't tell her? But it was the same thing with her. Like, when she had a boyfriend, I don't think she told him. It's like, he was like, oh, they don't talk that much and blah, blah, blah. And when I mentioned it to him the first time when she started doing that, like, I'm like, yo, I'll feel some type of way, so you need to check her about it, because that's your friend. And he wasn't trying to understand where I was coming from. Like, he wasn't trying to do it. So he was like, oh, it's not a big deal. Well, he said, oh, it's not a big deal. I'm like, it's a big deal to me. Like, this shit is bothering me. What the fuck do you mean? Like, imagine if it was me. I said, if that was me, if I had some male friend doing that shit under my pictures, you feel some type of way. So don't be telling me that shit is not a big deal. That's the problem with y'all men. Y'all do shit and you can't take it. Because if a female to do that to y'all, you'll have a heart attack. But you gonna tell me it's not a big deal? Like, yo. So he didn't fix it. He didn't do nothing, because he didn't feel the need to. He didn't feel the need to fix it. It wasn't a problem to him. Even though it was a problem to me, it wasn't a problem to him. So he even wanted to cut her off. I'm like, if that's your friend, like, I'm not the type of person to come into somebody's life and tell you who you can be friends with, or whatever the case was. But your friends need to respect me, though. Like, simple as that. If they can have respect for me, then I don't need to be around them. And if you as my man can check your friend for me, you don't deserve me. Simple as that. You don't deserve me. What the hell? I don't understand why he keep texting me for my reconnection. It ain't gonna be no reconnection. Ever. Ever in life.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Once you betray me, that's a wrap. That's good for everybody. Don't come back over here. You chose your side, so stick with it. Now you come back over here making you look stupid. Making you look real stupid. I don't know why you keep hitting me up. Where your best friend at? Where she at? Oh, listen, one thing about me, I forgive easily. Like, I don't hold grudges. If you do something to me, I'm gonna forgive you. But best believe, I'm not fucking with you again. That's my type of forgiveness. Simple as that. That's how I forgive. I don't care what nobody say. Because that's me. You know, type of... You don't need to be reconnecting with me. You don't. Because when everything went down, the thing is, here it is, y'all. When everything went down, he didn't even have my back. Rewind. Like I said, I hit up my Instagram, I her to chill on what she doing because that's disrespectful to me. She didn't care. She kept doing it. And I checked her in the fucking comments because I'm like, bitch, stop playing with me. Like, stop playing with me. I don't like being disrespected. I do not like being disrespected. Once you do that, it's a problem. Because I don't disrespect you, so why you disrespect me? First of all, you don't even know me. And you think that was cool that your best friend is in a relationship and you feel the need to keep on flirting under his pictures on social media, knowing that you have a girlfriend. Like, so when she did that, she started a problem and then she ran, right? Well, she made a comment. I replied to her comment. And then she ran, and then his family came at me. Very disrespectful too, by the way. So, you think I kept my mouth shut? Best believe I did not. I don't give a fuck who you are. You're not gonna disrespect me. You're not gonna do it. So, I spoke my mind that day, and I don't regret nothing. Not one word. I don't care. One of his brothers was like, oh, he said, you know the bond they had. He told you about the bond they had or whatever. I'm like, a bond is fine, but she's not gonna keep disrespecting me. She's not gonna keep doing that. No, she's not. And then again, why the fuck talking about a bond? She disrespected me. Why should I care? Like, are you dumb? Talking about a bond. Do I gotta give a fuck? Hey, me just what they all of them in the comments. I'm not like. Because of every one of them. Cause you got me fucked up. If you think I'm gonna be in a relationship with a man that his best friend will keep disrespecting me.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Like I said, this girl, she started this shit up. She knew they had her back. I didn't give a fuck. But you're not gonna disrespect me. So I'll comment. I said whatever the hell that came to mind. I don't care if it came out of disrespect. Because they came and disrespect me first. I don't care. And then mind you, all this is happening, and then he just on the sideline. He don't say nothing until his brother said something. He said something about the bond thing. That's when he replied. The whole time he was just watching the comments. He didn't say shit. Well, you supposed to be with my man. Nigga, please. Nigga, please. Right. Y'all niggas is weird. I clearly was the fucking side chick. Cause who? What? How you expect me to sit there and be okay with that? She probably was doing that to every female that he dated before me, but she had the wrong one. I had the wrong one because I was not gonna tolerate that disrespect.
You got the right bitch. You got the right bitch today. You got the right bitch. You got the right bitch today. You got the right bitch.
She said, "Oh, I'm the one. When y'all bitches is gone, I'm the one he gonna come back to and rant to," or some shit. She said some shit like that. She said, like, bitch. So you clearly doing it spitefully because you don't want this man to be happy. Because either you like him or whatever, love him, whatever the case is, but yet you don't want to be with him, but you don't want him to be with somebody else. You know, that's somewhat like how some of these guys are. They don't want you, they don't want to treat you right, but they want you to be somebody else. In her case, I guess she look at him as a friend. I don't know, but she don't want to be with him, but yet she don't want him to be with somebody else. Like, girl, I told that bitch off. I don't care. I don't care. Best believe I was done with him the moment he didn't even check anybody under the comments. Understand, family, but at the same time, you gonna let them talk to me like that, nigga? And you think, and him is still expecting that we're still in a relationship. Are you dumb?
You must be mad.
Are you dumb? I mean, one thing about me, I'm sensitive. Second thing about me, I don't like disrespect, and I don't like embarrassment. So all three of them shits, you done lost me. He didn't even know that he lost me that time. He didn't even know that he lost me. I was out. I was like, oh, say a word. Okay, I'm gonna show you. And then when I text me the next morning, oh babe, she said she's sorry. She's not gonna interfere in a relationship no more. Like, it's funny that you think that we're still in a relationship because we're not. Like, what make you think that we will still be in a relationship? What make you think that? Like, I gave him so many chances to talk to that girl about it, and he did not talk to her about it. Like, he was trying to cut her out in his life for me, but I was like, no, if that's your friend, just talk to her about it. If she's a real friend, she'll understand. Like, I want to come to somebody's life and tell you who not to be friends with, because that's somebody that was there before me. So that was not my MO. Even no. All I said was check her before I check her, and then when I check her, he gonna say I started it.
John, stop. John.
Yeah. He said that. He said I started it because I did message her on Instagram like, oh, so you're best friend, and she's like, yeah. Well, she replied very smart, like a smart ass with an attitude. Girl, you won. Keep him. But then again, he clearly don't want you because he's still trying to come over here. So you can't diss me. I expect you to come back in my life. Yeah, what? Me? Me don't take shame lightly. So the moment you disrespect me, the moment you embarrassed me, the moment you betrayed me, oh, child, feel bad for you. I'm the type of person that cut people off real quick. I'm always in it with good intentions. And if you don't come with good intentions, then I'm gonna eventually see you for who you are, and then I'm gonna cut your ass off. That's just me, and I don't care. I barely give chances. I don't give chances like that. Because why should I? Why should I? We're not big people. You know what I do. Okay? Big man, you know what I do. So why should I give chances? Nah. Just like me. If I do something fucked up, which I barely do, ain't nobody perfect. But at the end of the day, like I said, you can cut me off too. I don't care. And you think I care? If you cut me off? Just know I don't care, bro. Just know. People could go. This Chipotle is good though. It's good. Would I eat it again? I probably would, but not. I'm putting Chipotle and Chick-fil-A in the same bracket. Like I can't eat this shit all the time. I'm burning my own pockets. I rarely give second chances. Except when I give third chances too. Like, it depends on what the situation is. I'm in my 30s now. 5 more years and I'm 40. Ain't no second chances. Okay? We in 2023. I don't understand why it's so hard for people to just move on when you're the person that fucked up. Like, I don't get it. They know they don't deserve a second chance, but yet they think they're supposed to get one. Like, why do you feel... One thing about me, I don't care how many years pass, I don't care how many months pass. Once you do some fucked up shit to me, you will get no second chance. It's not for me. Not for me. I'm not doing it. Like, so you could come back and do the same shit again? Or even something even worse? No. Like, y'all men cannot even take the same pain. Okay, so I'm not even gonna say pain, but I'm speaking in general. Because this situation didn't really bring me pain, to be honest. I was just like, you're lost because I know I'm a good person. I know I'm a good woman. And you're gonna regret it. It's like you're doing right now. You thought the grass was greener on the other side. But I was saying, like, men cannot handle the same pain they give a woman. Y'all cannot handle that shit. Y'all said we cheat with emotions and y'all cheat just cause whatever. And I don't know if it was, honestly, he never gave me a reason to not trust him, so I didn't know he was cheating, because that's what my friends call it. Like, the thing is, okay, when she trying to add me on Instagram, I went on her page because I'm like, oh, that he was with me when she was trying to add me, and I'm like, who's this? He was like, oh, that's my friend. So I'm like, okay. I said, why she trying to add me? He's like, oh, don't pay her no mind or whatever. So I'm like, that's when I asked him, said, did y'all used to date before me or something? Like, he's like, no, they never used to date. But he was like, they did something years ago. Like, I guess, because they grew up together, right? I was like, oh. But then I took his phone and I went on her page. I'm like, she had him all over her page. Like, I should have saw that as a fucking red flag. I don't know why I didn't look at it like... I mean, because honestly, all her posts is like, my best friend is my best friend, that, right? But y'all know sometimes when a female have a best friend, that's like a nigga she... Right? I don't want YouTube to... So I'm like, yeah. So it's like, it's either they... was but I really didn't look at it as that. I thought it was like really just best friends, like platonic best friends. Like, I didn't know, like, I don't even know what to say. But like I said, she had him all over her page, and she was like, Man Crush Monday, and my best friend this, my best friend that. They was on like a date thing. Went out to eat type thing. But it looked friend to me. I don't know. Maybe I wasn't really into it too much, like I said. But it was looking friendly more than, you know, they was actually doing something. Like I said, he had never gave me a reason to think that he was cheating, because this man used to talk to me every day on the phone. He used to talk on the phone every day, whether it's FaceTime or on a call. So I never was given a reason like to say he was cheating, but I don't know. Now, when this really happened, I was looking back to it and I was talking to my friends. And I was like, maybe he was cheating, and he did it so well. Because I never had a feeling, never felt it. And one thing about me, if I feel something, I don't ignore that shit. That's my intuition telling me something. I'm not ignoring it. I am not ignoring it. I don't ignore it. I always go with my gut feeling. Always. So I never had a gut feeling that he was cheating. I never felt no type of way. Even when I was on her page, because she had him, like I said, when I said she had him all over her page, she had a lot of pictures of him on our page. I think he probably had like one with both of them. Now, the picture was like a back in the day picture. Like I said, they grew up together, so it was in, I don't know, but yeah. This happened in right when the pandemic started, right in when COVID started. I broke up with him because I'm like, I'm not dealing with this shit. No, the fuck I'm not. No, sir. He hit me up in November, and I sent it to my friend. I sent it to Carmel. And then I'm like, girl, with like a straight face, like a serious face, like, why you keep telling me you have an apartment? I don't care. Good for you. That don't mean shit to me. Because at the time he was living with his family, that's why he keep mentioning that he have an apartment, and was wondering if we could reconnect. But the thing is, he keeps saying that was the problem. That was never the problem. I wasn't hurt from the situation though. I really wasn't. I would say disappointed, but not hurt. I was not hurt. Trust me, honey. Because no, that's when he really showed his ass, to be honest. Like, that's when he really showed his ass, and I was like, yeah, your loyalty clearly was not with me. So I'ma send you over there. I'm sending you to shorty. She can have you. Ain't no coming back. And the thing is, when I had to do that prank too on my friends, I'm like, the fact that I even believed that I would actually take that person back, like, the fuck, never. And I even said that multiple times. That would never happen. So the fact that two of them thought I was really serious, cause Carmel, no. Me and Carmel are Gemini. Carmel don't play. Our birthdays is like 6 days apart. Carmel don't play. So, like, I know she was the one that asked the questions. Like, she was like, and where the best friend go? Carmel do not fucking play. She said, and where the best friend go? For real. Because, nigga, if you think I'm gonna take you back and you have that bitch in your life still, she's like, what? She was not having it. She's like, where the best friend go? Girl saying, where the best friend go? I want no parts of that. I'm good. Yeah, this person was somebody that, and you would think somebody, that's why you gotta watch people's actions, because y'all men talk a lot of shit, but y'all cannot back it up. Because when push comes to shove, your loyalty is not there. This was the man that used to tell me every day when we talk on the phone. Oh, I'm gonna marry you. Oh, I love you so much. Oh, you changed my world. You changed my life. I thought I would never find love again. He said a lot of shit that I believed at the time. That sounded good. You were always gonna be there for me. Blah 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 blah. But yet you had no loyalty.
Child. Anyway, so
your loyalty was not with me. But you expect me to take you back? Are you dumb? He does have a person that don't know how to speak up for himself when it comes to his family. He don't speak up for himself. Like, you know, when you let people walk all over you and you don't have no voice, that was him. So when this situation happened now on Instagram and they was coming at me, when I say he was sitting back watching, that's when I know because like how he explained to me about them, I know that somebody called him and told him to oh, I didn't tell you what he said. How the hell I forgot that? Somebody called him and told him to reply, to check me, I guess. So he's like, oh, I did tell you what after his brothers was like, oh, he told you about the bond they had, blah blah blah, and then I replied, and then he replied to me. He replied to me, and he said out his mouth, I don't remember the exact words. He was like, I did tell you, and I don't want to be what? He said I don't want to be with a. He said I don't want to be with a. I think he called me disrespectful. I'm trying to remember the word that he used, but he did. I don't want to be with somebody like you, or somebody disrespectful like you. Some shit he said. I don't remember the exact words. I'm not gonna sit here and lie, but it was something close to that. Like I was like,
Just laugh. No. Come here and say, what this? You know what I mean? And it is an apparent prank.
who you talking to? Nigga, who you talking to? Cause I know you don't have that voice. So who you talking to? So you embarrassed me, publicly embarrassed me on social media, but yet you want me to take you back. Nigga, fuck you. I cursed his ass out. And then we know what he did after I replied to his aunt. I told you not to date these young bitches. And I said, first of all, I'm older than him. And I said, and you a bitch. And I said, and he don't really like y'all. That's what I said. So, after I wrote that, he deleted the whole post. Yeah, he deleted the whole post. Right. I don't care. Don't disrespect me. Do not disrespect me. I don't care how old you are. Do not disrespect me. If I didn't disrespect you, do not disrespect me. The nerve. I honestly didn't say we're over. I didn't say that. But when he messaged me talking about, oh, she said this and that, she's not gonna do this and that, I'm like, it's funny you think that we're still together. That was me saying him, I'm done. So and then after a while, after that happened, he kept hitting me up a couple days after. Then from days it went to like a month after. But he just kept hitting me up. And after a while, it slowed down. But until recently, because I didn't block him on social media. I did not. Because one thing about me, you're gonna regret it. You think you can replace me? Go replace me. But you're gonna see me live my best fucking life without you. I'm not blocking you. So it was a challenge, and we was eating seafood, and he hit me up on Snapchat. I didn't reply, and then he hit me up. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all. Should have put it on the screen. Yeah. And then he texted me again today, like, boy, move on. I will ignore you. I don't go with the exes. I don't want the exes. If I was in a relationship with somebody and they did me wrong or they traumatized me, I don't go back. I do not go back. Especially with the exes. Why would I go to an ex? If I was a kid, I would have went up to my baby father. He left me and he wanted me back. So, yeah. Oh, anyways, I'm done talking. We're not getting back together.
Didn't they tell you I was savage? They didn't tell you?
So, life is short, and you should go live your life and enjoy it while you're still here. Yeah. Let's move on, bro. Look at that. I'm even call you bro. That's how you know I'm done. Let's move on. We'll be happy. because you don't deserve me. You don't deserve me. So now I hope you get the message. But I feel the need to do a story time because why not? I said I was gonna do it last year and I didn't. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it today. Fuck it, I don't care. Oh yeah, this is the same ex that the story time I did on the Valentine's Day thing. Yeah, it's the same person. So that's another thing. You're not romantic for me. So that's a no. Welcome here, got puffy. But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. So if you like it, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and you could leave some comments. You could ask questions. I could tell y'all what's going on. I could tell you. I'll answer the questions if y'all want to ask questions. So I don't know. Just leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and do you like Chipotle? Bye.